So, hello guys, am I audible? Can someone write in chat? Hello. Okay. So, hi everyone. I think the previous session we taken on the data type and basic of Python. In today's lecture, we are going to study basic of operators and some control statements. So, hello everyone. I am reading the chat. So, first of all, I want to tell you about some of the courses offered by the Let's Upgrade. So, all of you don't forget to do the registration in Let's Upgrade website and also for the certification. After the taking this boot camp, you can also get a certification. You just have to log in to the website of Let's Upgrade, and they are also offering Java DSA course which costs 5,900. You can enroll in that also. You can also earn some exciting prizes like MacBook Air and some more exciting prizes like courses by enrolling and giving a referral of B.Tech program. You can earn up to 80,000 rupees in that. Or for more information, you can simply go to Let's Upgrade website, or you can click on the link given in the description. Now let's start today's topic. I was reading previous chat, and someone is writing that Boolean data type is left with. So let's start with the Boolean data type. Please write on the screen. Are you able to see my screen, or I increase the size of font? Anybody can write on the screen. The screen size is perfect, or let me zoom it. So let's start. So in previous lecture, we studied the data type. We study the four normal data type like integer, string, float, and the boolean. The boolean was left for the practical use. So in today's class, we start with the practical use of boolean, and then we further study operator in Python and control statement, which include if-else statements, loops, while loops, and break. So let's start. Yeah, I'm also reading your chat. If anybody have any type of doubt, you can write on the chat. So from where you can submit the assignment. So you have to simply go to their website and for more detail. Yeah, anybody from team can guide them where to submit the assignment. Okay, let's start with the Boolean type of data. So in my compiler, let's erase this out and write it again. So a equal to I define. Always remember, uh, if I run this, so there would be an error because Python is a language which have rules. So we have always T is always capital in true. Now the color of true is green, blue. because this is predefined data type. If I'm going to make it small t, now it's just a string and it just print like a string. If I print it like print a, I think the output would be true because I'm writing true. There's nothing like a keyword or thing. If I write the type of this, we write now the type is string. So the class is string. So always remember a T is capital in true. So now if I do this, now the data type is boolean. You can see on the screen the data type is boolean. So this is a use case of boolean. Basically this is used in a comparison type of data type. When we compare something in AND or operation, what which is we are learning today. So let's see these today. So let's start with operators. So in chat anyone can write what are operators in Python. Yes, Python is a case sensitive language. What are operators? Anyone in chat? Now it is cool. Font size. Yeah, people are writing for operator are the symbols. Arithmetic. So arithmetic, logical, these are the type of operators. So logical operator, yes. So some people are writing. So let me tell you, operator are the symbol. These are the symbols of special keywords, which are prefix in the system. These are used to perform various kind of operations, and this operation can be of arithmetic operation, operation, logical operation, bitwise operation. So these are the fixed keywords which are used to perform various kind of operation. That's why we call them operators. So we basically define them the four types. We have more type, but today we are only learning the four type of operators. The arithmetic operators, which are used to perform basic mathematical operation. When we have to use some basic mathematical operation like plus, minus, addition, modulus, divide, then we use arithmetic operation. Comparison operators. These operators are used to compare two type of value, and they always return a boolean type of results. That's why initially I told you about the boolean, because today we are using boolean data type. Comparison operator always give an output of boolean type. ठीक है, which we include equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, these type of data type. Logical operators the combination of multiple condition and they also return a boolean result. They are the combination of multiple results like and or. We always define condition like if this is true and this is true, if this is true or this is true, or this is not true, this is false. So these all combined make a group that we call a logical operators. The fourth one is assignment operator, in which we assign something. We assign a value, we assign a character using these type of operators. Yeah. So any type of question you can write in that. So someone is writing XOR and OR. These are bitwise. Today we are only covering these four type of operators. Okay, let's start with the arithmetic operations. So anyone want to tell what are arithmetic operations? Recently I told you what are arithmetic operations. In chat, what are arithmetic operations through which we use arithmetic operators? So let's start. Yeah, someone is writing addition, subtraction, multiplication. So which is also on our screen. So we'll start with a simple code of adding two numbers, a very simple code. So let's define a equal to 10 plus 5. print, make, make the code more readable. Let's make them comment out. So these are the multi-line comments. Okay. In chat, you can write if the code is readable or not. Chat, can you answer? Yeah. Okay. 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 Readable. So any guesses? What would be the output? What would be the output of this? Output is 15. The simple operation. So we do same things for the subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential. Uh, in division, I would tell you some more magical thing. So the subtraction is also basic, the same code, same type of code. You can also add any string in this. It would also print. We can type there the sum is like the sum is and give a comma. So let's see what would be the output. The sum is 50. Okay, you can do this like also. Let's come to subtraction. So a equal to the same format. A equal to 10 minus 5. Print. Let's make it b. Okay, the code would be more readable. Same out. Okay, the answer is 5 obviously. Okay, the same for the multiplication, same for the division, but there's something in division also. So be attentive in class. Okay, let's do for the multiplication, and after that multiplication, c equal to for the okay 2 star. For the multiplication we use star. Okay, print c. Okay, the answer is 8 obviously. So anyone can tell me what would be the output if I make it 2 star? What is the output of C now? Anyone chat? What is the output of C now? Yeah. Okay. 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 People are getting it. Get it. Okay. Okay. The output of C now is 2 raised to 4. Which is 16. Why? Because in Python, the double star mark the used for the exponential purpose, which also come in arithmetic operations. So let's make C there, and let's move to division. So D equal to 15 by 2. The answer is 7.5. Okay, and the 7.5 data type is float. Okay, let's check by the type function. Let's check. The class is float because this is 7.5. Anyone can tell me if I want to make it an integer. I don't want a float in my output. How can I do this? For D, Yeah, someone is writing int. Yeah, int is also perfect. That comes in a typecasting purpose when we get the output and then we convert it. Anyone can tell me in operation how can I make it integer? Indi. Someone is writing indi. So let's see. If I make it two forward slashes, now see what would be the output? 7. The previous output 7.5. So remember, always remember this: the double forward slash, the single forward slash used for the division. This is also used for the division, but it will give you a round figure. So let's see now. Check the type of D now. Okay, the class is in. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you remember how to convert them. Okay, that's also perfect. If you want to do like converting into int, that's also good. So anyone can tell me what modulus does? Someone is writing what we are going to cover in today's class. So we are going to basically cover the operators, type of all operators with example, and control statements, which include while loop, for loop, if else, nested if else, flow division. Yeah, that we call flow division. So please focus on understanding the concept, not on the words. Okay. Yeah, it give reminder. Okay. Okay, the indentation is coming. Let's see what we have done wrong. Okay, okay. Let's now let's see if we are able to erase our error or not. Yes, the answer is 1. It is giving us the remainder when we write 17 by 2. Okay, let's move to the exponential part at the start of E. Yeah, it was an indentation error at the start of E. Okay, okay, okay. The reserve keyword, but we can use in the particular purposes. So someone is writing what went wrong in the previous example. The previous example, the error was indentation error because of the tab spaces. So this is also important to see the error and figure it out how we can resolve it. So let's move to exponential. Anyone have any doubt? Yeah, Martin, it is not necessary to write. Okay, that we can see previously. Output would be, so this is exponential used for the power function. Okay, the answer is 60. Let's move to the comparison operators. Okay, someone is writing once again explain modulo. So what modulo does, it give you the remainder of, let's suppose I want to check the number is even or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it with the 2. If answer is equal to 0, then the number is even. So we check like that. So it is very important in condition. Somewhere we have to check the condition, somewhere we have to check the reminder of something, making a code. I think Shivraj Singh Chauhan, you got it. What is modulus? You can write on this. Okay, let's move to comparison operators. Comparison operators, when we compare two values, when we use comparison operators, okay, the answer is always in Boolean. So let's make them multi-line comment so that there's less confusion. Okay, so let's start. Anyone have any idea about comparison operator? This is beyond this. You can read this on screen. Beyond this, you want to add something, you want to tell about something, or you have any confusion that, yeah. So they are very simple. So let's start with, we have to just define two things and we are using them for different operations like x equal to 5 and y equal to 4. Okay, now start with giving them the comparison operators. Okay, let's start with the equal to. If I write like that, print equal to 2 times, let's print it. Okay, the indentation error once again. Let's see the error. So someone is asking what was the error in previous question. The same error in this question. You can see the highlighted part, the gap. So this can create an indentation error. Okay, let's see. False, because 5 does not equal to 4. That's why we are getting false. So this is the symbol of equal to operator. So now get on to not equal to. Okay, same thing. Print. Okay, x does not equal to y. So anyone guess what would be the output? Output in the cat, please, fast. Yeah, answer is true. False. Okay. So why this is false? Why this is false? The first one, why this is false? Because they are not equal to. Why this is true? Because the statement lies is true. What statement is giving is true. They are not equal to, and they are also justifying that this is not equal to. So greater than int. We are going to do it for 2 times. One for the x and one for the y. Okay. Answer is true because 5 is greater than 4, and we can also do this for opposite sign. Okay, any guesses what would be the output in chat fast? Someone is writing your explanation is very good. Thank you, Rohan. True, true. Okay, true. So if I'm going to print this again, the error, the indentation error, is going to arrive again. So always remember less than the same. I think now you got the point. Use x. Okay, what would be the output? Any guesses? False. Okay, let's see. False. Okay, okay. The money, you are right. The answer is false. And same for the greater than equal to. These are the basic. So let's do it fastly, quickly. For the x and y, we can do them for the numbers also, directly for the numbers. Uh, what we are using is variable right now, x and y. We can directly use them for the numbers also, if anyone have any doubt. Okay, the answer is true, because 5 is greater than, is checking the first condition greater than, then is checking the second condition. Okay, this is also the priority. Okay, x is less than equal to y. Always remember in this, the sign of greater than, equal to, not equal to come first, then the equal to sign. You can observe in that the equal to sign comes after any type of greater than, equal to, or not sign. Okay, I think you got all of them, the all of the arithmetic operations and all of the comparison operators. Any doubt, any type of doubt, because we are moving to logical operators. We have not. Yes, someone is writing like we have not set what to print in case to match. Yeah, the print statement is basically used to print something on your screen. If you are not writing the print statement, that means the number is compared but not going to print on your screen. So if I write x is greater than equal to, and don't write the print statement, so it is not going to print on my screen. How we can number as an input from user, that we use input function for that. In previous class I told you the input function, which just do reverse of print, like, okay, a equal to input. uh, any question, because we have to cover the operators and control statement also. If we do not write the print, it will print. Yes, let's see. Yes, we can do that. Okay, the answer is false, which is giving output of 32. It is not doing that. Okay. Any doubt in arithmetic operations and comparison operators only? Please write in chat, because we are moving to logical operators then. From where we can get the Python software? You can directly download the Python from python.org, or you can download the PyCharm, or the IDs. All are the IDs. Okay. Okay, let's move to logical operators. Anyone know what are logical operators? Don't read out, don't write these highlighted part in chat, please. Except this, you know anything about logical operator? You can write in chat. Someone is writing, what is the full form of ID? Integrated Development and Environment. ID. Yes. Okay, okay. Let's move to the logic. So full form of ID is Integrated Development Environment. So we can take two example for that. Okay, so let's do like for the basic gate purpose. Okay, let's define p equal to. Okay, anyone tell me why this is in blue color in chat? Why true is in a blue color? I think there's a lag in chat because I am getting chat of the previous question. Yeah, reserve word, keyword. So we have approximately 35 reserve keywords, which is showing in blue color. Okay, so this symbolizes this is a reserve keyword. Okay, so let's print p, and you got it. Why this is in blue color? Because and is also a reserve keyword. These are the variables. To is also a reserve keyword. Print is also a reserve keyword. All the reserve keywords come in blue color in this side. So we are using and. So in logic gate we study what are the properties of and. You know what are the properties of and? When both condition are true. Okay. When p is also true and q is also true, then you will get a true. So anyone guess what would be the output of if I'm going to print this? Print p and q. Let's make them multi-line comment. Okay. What will be the output? False. Because we know the property of and, both condition would be true, then only the answer would be true. Because the name is suggesting and this and this. When both is true, then only we can get the output. And the same for the or, which is the name like or this or this. We can choose from one. So the answer would be in chat. What would be the answer of Q, P or Q? First, what would be the answer? Okay. The answer would be true. Yeah, the answer would be true. Okay, okay, okay. Be fast on chat. And you know how to use end in chat. I want from you. How we can use both operators. So in a specific case condition, we can use both operators. Like I can assign four variables p, q, a, r. So in one condition, I will give p and q. Then I'm going to use or. Then I'm going to use a and r. So we can use four operators in that, and we can use multiple logic gates at once. So easily, uh, not p. So what would the output? The p is true now, and we are using not. So what not is going to do? It will invert what is the output, what is the variable save in p. So p right now have true, and the output would be false. Okay, let's run this. Okay, because the output was true. Let's do this and let's see. I also don't know if it is work or not. Let's see right now. Not. Okay, the output was true because p or q. Let's see what would be the output now. The output is false. Yes, it's working. We can work two logic gates at once, two operator at once. We are using OR and we are using NOR. Now you got the answer, I think. Yes, we can do that. Food word is writing. We can print P and OR, and yes, we can do that. We are using this or not and OR, two logical operators at once. Yes, we can do this. Let's move to assignment operator. So don't get confused in comparison operator and assignment operator. Okay, we are using equal to in both, but they both have some different duties and tasks. Okay, we use them to assign value to variables. Okay, using loops we are learning today, like equal to or plus equal to or minus equal to or multiplying something. Let's start with the assignment operator. So quickly write something in chat about the assignment operator, what you understand, what you think about the assignment operator. Quickly. So the function class is tomorrow. Someone is writing dev classes module. So the function class is tomorrow. So we study dev classes tomorrow. Today we are in assignment and we are studying loop next to this. So let's do quickly, which assigns some value to variables. Okay. The basic what we are doing from day one, a equal to 10, and I'm going to write print a. So the output would be indentation error. Okay, done this again. So we are basically assigning is the output is 10. So let's do something. Output. So let's remove this part. The condition operators. So let's see this. When we have to write a equal to a plus 5. So we use in some cases. So we can also write like this. Uh, a equal to plus equal to 5. Both have the same meaning. Okay. Both highlighted part have the same meaning. What this is telling, this addition and assignment at the same process. Okay. Same for the multiplication. If I like c equal to, okay, c minus 5. For that we have to assign something, some value. Okay, let's take a here. A would be a nice example for this. A. Okay. So the same output. Okay, we can write this also. A equal to a minus equal to the same condition. First the arithmetic sign, then the assignment sign. So we can write 5. Any doubt? Any type of doubt? Yeah, you are writing Moria. Yes, it is right. First the arithmetic operation, then the assignment. Yeah, it's right. Let's print something so it will give you a more understanding about the concept. Let's print. Okay, let's see what is the output of A. It would be anything, it would be errors, it would be anything. Let's see what would be the output. Okay, the answer is 10 and 30. 30 for this one, okay, and 10 is for the this one. Okay, let's make this not here. Sir, is this the ID you're using? So this is the online compiler, okay, which I'm using. Don't use this for only the basic purposes. Okay, so let's move to division. The same for the division purposes. A equal to A forward slash for the division what we studied above equal to 2, and same for the modulus. A modulus equal to, I think the code is more readable now. Let's move to the loops, the control statement. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? 5 minutes. You can summarize this. Any type of doubt in arithmetic operation, comparison operation, assignment operations. Okay. Not sit, not sit. What is not sit? Rohit Patel, what is not sit? Okay, you are writing, sir. No, sir. Any type of doubt? So these are the basics. Two things you should remember. The first one is this: the double forward slash floor division. Okay, the name is floor division. Always remember this. The exponential part is also important. Always remember this. These are the basic. After doing number of questions, you are going to remember all of them, and this is also easy. So let's move to the control statements. So anyone tell me what are control statements? Yes, we can use two logical operation at once. Yes, we can do it. We can use or and. We can use more than one also, more than two also. Assignment operations. Someone is writing, explain assignment operations. So we have okay, the assignment operations is used to assign value in loops. Let's move further. In loop concept, I will explain you more clearly. So I think this is valid for the job purposes. You will get job on based on your skills, not on the certificate. Okay. So control statements allow us to control the flow of execution of program. When we are executing a program, so control statement give us a power, give us a control to to manage or to get some insights how the execution of program is happening. So we can change it, we can modify it according to our need. So it give an internal view how the function is working. So the main things included in this: the if else statement, nested form of if else statement, okay, the while loop and the for loop. These are the four things. One more thing included, which was break statement and continue statement. Let's move towards if else statements. Okay, So I'll write something for you. Definition of if else statement in code. So comment out and copy. If else statement execution, one block of code if the condition is true and another block if the condition is false. So it's like the condition statement. If if you are going to do this, then I'm going to do this. It check this condition. If the first one is correct, I'm going to write this one. And if first one is not correct, I'm going to this one. This is plan A or plan B. If this is going to successful, then I become this. And this is not going to successful, and then I become this. Like IIT JEE, UPSC, if else do while. Yeah. What do you want to write, bro? If first condition is true, okay, then the command which is given by us is going to execute it. If not, then it's moved towards to second one. Let's see the example. Age equal to 25. This is a variable, and I'm assigning if age. We can do multiple things in that. We can now we use the comparison. We can do comparison also. We can use and or logical operation also. Age is equal to 25. Always remember this is a syntax of if. This is if, okay. This is the condition, and this is the ending part, okay. This tell that from there we start if is close, and the statement which is going to be executed, the task which is going to be executed start from there. A tab spaces is mandatory, okay. Otherwise we have to use curly braces. In other language we use curly braces, and then we have to end them in this. We cannot use in Python, but this is more easy. That's why Python is very easy language. So use print you are 5 years old if condition is true, okay. So we can also change this condition according to our need. We can also make it input by the user. Anything we can make it anything. And always remember, if I want to write something else, we can write something as print. And if I write from here anything that does not include in if, okay, we can also write. Now come to the second condition. Any type of doubt? So someone is asking the function something. We are going to cover in next class. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, double colon, right? Print. Okay. So any guesses what would be the output? Yes, the indentation error. Okay, let's see here. Make it like this. So what is the issue now? Yes. So this is a syntax how we write our if statement. Okay. Let's see what is the error now. Okay. Let's make them multi-line comment till here. Let's see. Let's run our code now. So the answer is you are 25-year old. Okay. We can also change the condition here. We can make it input from the user. Like we can apply a input function there. Any question in this? Know that we used to call this a terminator. Okay. So nothing like C here. The basic error of indentation in this. So let's move to while loops. I think you got it. If else statements. It was the error of caps indentation error. Okay. The output is here. You are 25-year old. If age is greater than equal to 25. Okay, this is a syntax. Anything in chat? Yes, this we are going to study. Let's move to while loop. Someone is writing, do it with the input function. Okay, let's see what would be the output. So the output is enter your age. So chat, please write it. What I write in age. So everyone write your age. Please don't write anything in chat like int using int. If there would be an error, I will resolve it. Okay. Error is also important. So what is your name? Rama Kagri. Please don't do this. If there would be an error, I will resolve the error. Okay. In front of you, in front of all the students. So don't worry about that. That would give me a more clear view about the concept. Okay. So what we did the previous class, we learned about the input function. Okay. This is a keyword, and we also learned typecasting in that concatenation typecasting. So this is the if syntax. Okay, now I'm going to enter age 21. There's an error. Okay. So the marker is there only. Let's put it there. 21. Okay, the error. Let's see the error and resolve it now. String line 50 is modulus. Okay, so what we studied in previous class, in this is taking it as a string. Okay, and giving it to this. Now 25 is an integer value which is recognized by the compiler as an integer. So when we compare a string with an integer, so they are providing an error. So we have two ways to resolve it. Okay, first we can convert this into an integer. Okay, or we can convert this into a string. So we can compare, we cannot compare two strings. So the only one we can do this by converting this into an integer, which we can write what we learned in previous class, converting into an integer. Okay, so let's now see what would be the output. If there is an error, now also we can resolve it, don't worry about that. Okay, now you are not 25. Okay, that means when we are entering 21 in this is comparing, this is giving value to this, comparing, this is wrong, giving value to this. Okay, if this is wrong, automatically value given to this. Okay, else is automatically give you the output. Okay, you are not 25, we can write anything, you are not 21. Okay, you are not 21. So I think you got my point. So you have to do research for that, which course have more demand in Java and Python. Okay, so elif statement is nothing, a combination of if else, the nested loop, what we call it, nested loops. Okay, oh sorry, nested if else, what we call nested if else. So someone is asking about the if else statements. Okay, we can check another condition. So Miss Reddy, what I am telling you, that if when we take value in age, this give value to if. Okay, then it compare it, whatever condition is given there, not only the greater than equal to, we can write anything there which have a comparison. If the condition is right, then this is going to print this. If it is wrong, if this is wrong, the highlighted part is wrong, this this part is wrong, then it ultimately transfer it to this part. Okay, so the demand is for the LF. Okay, we are going to do LF. The time is exceeding, but I am here for doing LF. Okay, so let's see. So chat, give me one reply fast. Okay, if I'm going to use if age is greater than equal to 20, print. Reply me fast. This would work or not? No, today we don't have a quiz. Today we have an assignment. Okay, so your age is 20. If this is going to work or not? Okay, let's see. I don't know if it's work or not. If there's an error, we resolve it. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, it is not working. Let's see what is the error. Okay, because when it's checking here, na, it is not giving the value to this, not giving the permission to this. Okay, so this LF is nothing, the combination of else and if. Okay, when we combine else plus, this is only to understand, don't take it logically. Okay, else if. Okay, when we combine else if, then what would be created? Then we have. Okay, so this is the combination to check multiple conditions. So that's the issue, that the time is exceeding, so I cannot explain you the error which was occurring. No, we cannot use error before if. We can't. We cannot use it. In first time we have to use if. So this is the combination of this. We understand in next class. Let's understand the concept of while loop. So class, we are going to understand all of the topic tomorrow. Okay, we have left with. Okay, anything you can write in chat. We are closing this session. Okay, okay. Anything you can write in chat. Where to submit the assignment? Okay, I really don't know, but the operator is coming. She can tell you where to submit the assignment. So elif is basically a combination of if and else and if, multiple line else and if. Okay, any type of error, issue, doubt you can write right now, and we can study it tomorrow. So deadline, I think deadline is today only. Like assignment is very easy. The questions are very easy. So all of these questions, where to submit assignment, where is our assignment? Please hold for some time. I think the operator is coming. She will tell you about where to get the assignment and where to submit the assignment.
Hey, hi everyone. So my name is Sai Kiran and I'm the founder and CEO of LetsUpgrade, and I'm having some amazing news for every one of you. LetsUpgrade, in collaboration with ITM Skills University, is launching the first B.Tech CSE program that we love to share with you all guys. 6 features. Number 1, 100% job guarantee to all the students joining this particular program with minimum 8 LPA. Number 2, 1 year paid internship in product/MNC companies. Number 3, taught by real developers working in the industry in top companies. Number 4, amazing campus, a campus which is like we work in Mumbai that we are building for you all guys. Number 5, build lots of projects which are like real world applications, highly scalable applications from Hotstar to Zoom to your own Zomato. Number 6, you are gonna love the community collaborations that we guys have done. We are collaborating with 13 plus tech communities to give you the same environment what IITs and NITs have. Meet lots of industry people, participate in hackathons and meetups to understand what is running in the industry. That's what these are the 6 features which we have. You can check out the program on our website, that is isu.ec.in. Check out B.Tech there, you will find it.